Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Mentor. I'm Daniel. Today, we will talk about small talk, which is short, friendly talking we do every day. Small talk is simple and fun. We use it to start conversations, meet new people, or make friends. Small talk is not about serious topics. It is safe, friendly, and helps you feel comfortable speaking English. You will also sound natural when you talk to others. Let's begin with greetings. Greetings are the first sentences you say when you meet someone. You can say, "Hi, how's it going?" This is casual and friendly. People usually answer with something short like, "I'm fine, thanks." And you? Asking this shows you are polite and care about the other person. You can use it with friends, classmates, or colleagues. Another greeting is, "Good afternoon. How are things?" This is polite and works well with adults, teachers, or people you meet at work. It asks about life in general, not just one detail. Another common greeting is, "Nice to meet you." Use this when you meet someone for the first time. It shows respect and friendliness. For example, you can say, "Hello, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you." When you meet a friend you haven't seen for a long time, you can say, "It's great to see you again." This is casual and shows happiness. Another casual greeting is, "What's new?" This asks if something changed in the person's life. People often enjoy sharing short news or interesting events. Let's move to the weather, a very safe and easy topic. Talking about the weather is natural because everyone experiences it. You can say, "It's very sunny today." This makes people feel positive. Or you can notice the sky. "It looks cloudy outside." This can lead to a conversation like, "Do you think it will rain later?" Talking about the weather is an easy way to start a conversation without asking personal questions. You can also share how the weather makes you feel. For example, "I enjoy warm mornings." This shows your personal opinion and invites the other person to share theirs. Another example, "Cold days make me sleepy." Sharing small thoughts is natural and friendly. You can even ask the other person, "Do you like rainy weather?" This encourages them to respond. Next, let's talk about work or school. You can ask, "How is your job?" This is polite and shows interest. People usually give short answers but sometimes share more details. Another question is, "Do you have a busy day today?" This shows that you notice the other person's routine. For students, you can ask, "Which subject do you like the most?" This is friendly and avoids personal or sensitive topics. You can also ask, "Are you enjoying your work or studies?" This encourages people to share their feelings. Talking about hobbies is fun and helps find common interests. You can ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" People enjoy sharing hobbies. Another example, "Do you play sports or games?" This simple question often starts a conversation about activities. You can also share something about yourself, like, "I enjoy drawing in my free time." Sharing hobbies encourages the other person to respond and keeps the conversation friendly. Another way to ask is, "Do you like reading books or magazines?" People often enjoy sharing favorite books. Food is also a great small talk topic. You can ask, "Do you like cooking at home?" It is simple and safe. People can answer yes or no and talk about favorite meals. Another example, "Which food do you enjoy the most?" This can lead to a discussion about favorite dishes. You can also ask, "Have you tried a new restaurant recently?" Everyone has opinions about food, so it is safe and easy. Another fun question: do you prefer sweet or salty snacks? Small questions about food can help keep the conversation friendly. Weekend plans are excellent for small talk too. You can ask, do you have any plans for the weekend? This invites people to talk about hobbies or family activities. Another question: what did you do last weekend? People enjoy sharing short stories. You can also ask, do you prefer staying home or going out? This is easy and shows interest in their habits. Another example: do you usually spend your weekends with family or friends? Questions like this help people share more details about their life. You can also ask for opinions. For example, what do you think about this park? Asking opinions shows that you care about what they think. Another question: do you like this kind of music? Music is an easy topic because many people enjoy it. You can also ask, which movie did you enjoy recently? Movies are safe and interesting. Another way is, do you like cartoons or action movies? This makes the conversation fun and light. Family and friends are good small talk topics too. You can ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? This is simple and safe. Another question: how is your family? This shows care. You can also ask, do you spend time with friends often? This encourages sharing social life. Do you have a pet? Many people enjoy talking about animals. Another way is, do you have a dog or a cat? This makes it easy to start sharing stories about pets. You can also ask, are you close to your family? This is friendly but not too personal. Other everyday small talk questions include, have you been to this place before? This is useful when visiting a new place together. Another example: do you watch TV shows or series? Many people enjoy sharing favorite shows. Compliments also work well. For example, I like your shoes. Where did you buy them? Compliments make people happy and open conversation. You can ask, do you like traveling? Many people enjoy sharing travel experiences. Another question: how do you spend your holidays? This is safe and easy. Which season do you like the most? This invites opinions and feelings. Another question: did you do anything fun recently? People often enjoy sharing stories or small events. You can also talk about simple daily habits. For example, do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Many people have routines and like talking about them. Another example: do you like reading in the evening? Small questions about daily life are easy to answer. Do you enjoy walking in the park? This can start a conversation about hobbies and outdoor activities. Another fun question: do you like listening to music when you travel?